Alright guys, let's get started with some basic arithmetic operations. If you have prior experience to programming languages or in maths, then you do know what arithmetic operations are. These are just simple operations that we perform in our daily life. Some addition, some subtraction, some multiplication, some division. So let's see how we can do it in JavaScript. So I am going to open my developer options again, right? And I'm gonna go into the console, and over here I will perform some basic arithmetic operation. For example, 5 plus 9 equals to 14, as you can see over here. Now let's do some subtraction. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1, as you can see here. Let's do something with the multiplication. That's working too. Let's do something with division. That is also working. Let's do something with remainder. So remainder is actually what's left after you divide something. Then let's talk about logical operators or the Boolean operators. So these might be new to you, but they are actually there in maths all along. So we have greater than, not equal to, and smaller than. Let's see how these work in JavaScript. I'm gonna go into my console again. I'm going to clear the console, and then I'm gonna start with my operators. So let's say if 2 is equal to 1, which is not, so it's returning a false. How about if 3 is not equal to 4? That is actually true, so it's returning a true. I want to find out if 676 is greater than 2, which is correct, so it's returning a true. How about if 45 is less than 50? That's again 59, so that's again true, so it's returning a true. Now let's talk about comments. So I want you to pause the video and read this funny kind of argument between two programmers. When you're done, continue. So pause the video now. Okay, so you might have paused and read the funny argument between those. Now in the last box, he said that I do not understand it. Now for your code to be understandable, there is something called comments. You need to use comments in your code to describe what each function is doing or what each line is doing, so you in the future could understand it, and anyone else who will try to work on your code base could also understand it. And by code base I meant your code. So that's it for this video.